Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide conversations in Google Messages. If you want to hide a conversation from the main Google Messages screen without deleting it, the current Google Messages app provides an archive option. Archiving removes the conversation from your home screen while keeping the conversation available for you to read later. Now, Google Messages does not currently provide a dedicated hide conversation or lock chat feature for individual conversations. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide conversations in Google Messages. Now, open the Google Messages app on your Android phone. You should see your list of conversations on the home screen. Now, scroll through your conversations and find the chats that you don't want displayed on the main screen. You don't need to open the conversation, just find it. Now, touch and hold the conversation you want to hide. In Google Messages, you select the conversation and display actions icons at the top of the screen. At the top of the screen, go ahead and look for the archive button and tap archive. The conversation will immediately disappear, as you can see, from your main Google Messages home screen. And that's it. The conversation is now archived rather than deleted. So how do you find the hidden conversation? Launch Google Messages and open the More Options menu. Alright. If you don't find the More Options menu, just go ahead and tap on your profile name or your icon at the top right corner. Now go ahead and click on Archived. Now, Google Messages, archived. So Google Messages will display the conversations you have previously archived. So tap the conversation you want to view. You can now read the message just as normally as you would. If you want an archive conversation to appear on your main screen again, you can just unarchive it. All right. So tap the conversation itself and unarchive. So tap the conversation, long press the conversation and tap on, okay, let's say for example, I want to do this, tap on the archive button and it's unarchived. So you can go all the way back and you see now that those conversations are back on your main conversation screen. So go back to the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.